Hello and welcome back. Hope you're good, doing well. So bang on after CPI data. And the retail sales, we have seen tremendous strength on the Bitcoin. It's sitting around 25k. All right. But before we're going to look at that, if anyone want to join us, just simply go to wave-share.com, check the membership levels, and if you're looking for further information, then simply fill the form and send that to me. All right, and if you want to know that what has happened to the Bitcoin, just simply watch this previous video analysis. All right, you're gonna get the idea. Now let's move on. So what has happened? So in the previous, so this is the daily. Okay, we were expecting that wedge to break out, continue to go higher. We are in that bullish trend. Okay, I'm gonna look at the recent update. In the previous video analysis, we were expecting. Okay, so this is the longer term picture. In longer term, we are expecting Bitcoin to do very much similar like the move which we have just simply experienced on copper. Okay, and copper has visited that close to that top, all right, and Bitcoin to also visit that high. If I'm gonna look at the clear picture, both are risk assets, so we can say that. Okay, so we have seen a very much similar formation, bigger ABC lag. Okay, bigger ABC lag, and in terms of price, we have seen a bigger drop on it, right, as with compared to the copper. So copper went higher and struggling to test that, but we have seen decent lag over there. So we are expecting similar kind of move on the Bitcoin. That's longer term picture. Okay, this is the weekly chart. So keep in mind when you are looking to trade on the Bitcoin. So what has happened over on the Bitcoin at lower time frame is, so we were expecting that 8-hour time frame to give us another leg higher. Okay, we were not expecting that one more leg lower in the previous video analysis. All right. And we have seen that nice aggressive move over there, which is just trying to test that 25k. After having such kind of strength over there on Bitcoin, I'm anticipating Bitcoin to just keep pushing more higher all the way up to 30k. Yeah, so 30k target is intact. So that's a longer term picture. So if I'm gonna look at the 30k, yeah, 30k is not far away, all right? So 30k is just somewhere there. Yeah, but it has the potential to run all the way up to 48, as shown the comparison with the copper. Okay, so Bitcoin can continue to keep rising all the way up to 50k. That's a longer term picture. All right. So what we should expect. All right, it is at the 25k. Yeah, very important place where we can have some price actions. If I'm gonna look at the GRT chart, all right, the GRT, right, this is what we are expecting Bitcoin to do, right? So the GRT, we were expecting GRT to break out too, all right? So there you can see. Okay, so it has broken that top GRT very aggressively and then reversed. Okay, so not that kind of move on the Bitcoin, okay, but possible, right? Bitcoin may not do something like that, okay, but it can continue to keep pushing higher like it has done previously. Yes. So why showing that chart? We are expecting that to break out on Bitcoin too. Why that? All right, so let me so let me this wedge. Okay, so we have seen that wedge, nicely broken out. Okay, so it has broken out, but we need that trend to continue to keep pushing more higher. So there are many coins. This is just an example, okay, not a reason to just buy based on that. So there are many other reasons. So one of the main reason you should keep in your mind that the rates are peaking in the US, and inflation is also peaking. Okay, we were expecting inflation to fall last week, in this week, but inflation hasn't dropped significantly. All right, which caused the yields to push more higher, but Bitcoin, you know, ignore that risk. Bitcoin has ignored the higher yield risk, right? And went aggressively higher. Now what you are looking, simply you are looking this to break out, okay, breakout clear, continue and hit that 30K first, all right? And in best case scenario, continue to keep pushing more higher. That's the picture we are looking right now. But before going to expect the breakout, we still may see another leg lower. Okay, so I'm gonna look at the 8-hour time frame. We still may, I'm gonna get the moving averages out, so we still may see another leg lower. Okay, we still may see another leg lower. I'm not anticipating that. I'm just simply anticipating price to just break through and continue to keep pushing more higher. But make sure you are prepared for another leg lower, okay, and price can visit that previous low again and then continue to keep pushing more higher. Yeah, that's the picture. That's the formation you are looking for. Price to hold this area again and continue to keep pushing more higher. Why I'm anticipating, you know, some price action over there at the current price at 25K, because some sellers are trying to sell the Bitcoin over there. Okay, there you can see. I'm gonna look at the order book. Remember, at this area, a lot of buyers were sitting over there on the book in the previous video analysis. Many buyers were trying to buy over there at 21K, around 21K, yeah, and then we have seen tremendous strength over there. So similarly, there are a lot of sellers sitting over there at 25K. There you can see, okay, so 500, 362. Yeah, so a lot of sellers are sitting over there at 25K. So if we're gonna see similar kind of breakout, all right, that's gonna be perfect. If we're gonna see that, you know, a sharp breakup, okay, and gonna see similar kind of price action again, then we can see another leg lower, okay, as explained, and price can test that previous low, the expanding triangle, and again can hold that and continue pushing more higher. So there you are watching, right? So market to absorb, Bitcoin to absorb those sellers which are just sitting over there, okay, do not fall and break out, right? Right now sellers are heavy, buyers are not enough over there, so you're looking, you know, Bitcoin to absorb those sellers, but price not to fall and continue to keep pushing more higher. That's what you are looking for. Hope you got my point. Okay, if we don't get any, you know, sharp breakup and sellers start to control, then another slow move. Okay, so slow move like that, like this move, corrective move, test that, and then again continue. So the first of all, you are looking it to break out. So if you are buying over there, make sure you understand that a lot of sellers are sitting over there. Okay, so it's not a best place to buy in case if very aggressive breakout is going to happen. Yeah, so thank you. We'll see you back again in another setup. Until then, bye.